Welcome to Dialogue 49. They arrive at the hospital with time to spare. All that worrying was for nothing. They pay the taxi driver and go into the hospital. The lady at the reception asks,
"Do you have your appointment card? Did you phone before?"
Am I waiting for you or were they expecting me to come with you? Have we been to this hospital before? Had it been built when we first moved here?
"What's your name? It's John Smith, isn't it? You have medical insurance, haven't you? She is your wife, isn't she? I wonder if she would like to go with you."
"Could you tell me where the scanner room is? It's on the first floor, isn't it?"
"Yes, it is. On your left when you leave the lift. It's your first time here? I'm right, aren't I?"
"Yes, you are."
You are coming, aren't you?
"Yes, look out."
He bumps into a man. John apologizes but the man just grimaces.
He wasn't looking, was he?
"You hadn't seen him either, had you?"
He sees a nurse and says,
I wonder if you could tell me where the toilets are?
"They are over there."
"You didn't drink any water this morning, did you?"
No, I didn't. They told me not to, didn't they?